Now in this class, we have to separate primary, secondary, tertiary amines by the using of nitrous acid. Look at here. Here we have to separate aliphatic amines, aromatic amines, aliphatic and aromatic by the using of nitrous acid. First of all, we have to go aliphatic amines. What is that? Aliphatic amines. Aliphatic amine separation. First, listen here. First time take the primary amine. Right? So when go to the separation of primary amine, first we have to prepare freshly of the nitrous acid. First we have to write NaNO2 and HCl. When this combination, we get the nitrous acid. That is the HNO2 plus NaCl. So when go for the separation of primary amine, we have to prepare nitrous acid. This is the nitrous acid. Nitrous acid. By the using of nitrous acid, we have to separate of primary, secondary amines. Here, except methyl amine, all the primary amines, except methyl amine, all the amines are primary amines are becomes to the alcohol, and here is to release the nitrogen gas, evolved the nitrogen gas. Look at here, C2H5, NH2, NH2. This is the primary amine. Now this primary amine, when it is reactive with the nitrous acid, when it is reactive with the, I write the nitrous acid like this. Okay, this is the nitrous acid HNO2. I return the possibility of reaction. Now from here is the O, from here is the hydrogen, loss of H2O. When the loss of H2O, now it is formation of C2H5 double bond, single bond N, double bond N OH. This is the unstable component. Unstable. Now it is unstable. So when these electrons shifting to here, now OH minus, now C2H5 OH. C2H5 OH plus nitrogen gas. So this is the separation of primary amines by the using of nitrous acid. So when the primary amines, when reactive with the nitrous acid, now we get the alcohol and evolved the nitrogen gas. Except methyl amine. What is give the note here? Note. The methyl amine give the methyl nitrate. Methyl amine give the methyl nitrate, or it is to give the dimethyl ether. What it is give? When nitrous acid react with the methylamine, now here in this get methyl nitrate. We get here methyl nitrate plus here we get the nitrogen gas and water. N2 plus H2O. This is a methyl nitrate. So when methyl amine, when is reactive with the nitrous acid, we get the methyl nitrate. Clear? Now, if maybe 2 moles of methylamine, 2 moles of methylamine, when it is reactive with the nitrous acid, we get the dimethyl ether. What we get? Dimethyl ether. There is evolved nitrogen gas. Clear? And they release water molecules. So ether is formation. Ether. Methyl nitrate or ether when it is the primary amine reactive with the nitrous acid. But all the primary amines except the methyl amine, all the primary amines becomes to the alcohols. There is in the test tube evolve the fruity smell and we get the nitrogen evolve, the nitrogen gas also evolved there. So this is the identification of primary amine by the using of nitrous acid. Next one, I go to the separation of secondary amine. Clear? I go for the secondary amine separation. Look at here, CH3N, CH3H. Here I am right, take the nitrous acid from this one, that reaction. Now when it is reactive with the nitrous acid, from here is a OH, from here is a H, loss of H2O. Now here we get the CH3N, CH3NO. So this is the, what is that? N-nitroso, 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 N comma N dimethyl amine. So N-nitroso, N comma N dimethyl amine. Now this is a yellow colored oil type substance or yellow color type compound. Right. When it is to react with the phenyl crystal plus H2SO4, we get green color component. When you adding of base, now it is formed the blue color in the test tube. So when the secondary amines react with the nitrous acid, now we get the that one N-nitroso, N comma N dimethylamine, that is a yellow colored oil type of compound. Now when you do adding the phenyl crystal and H2O drops, H2SO4 drops, they become to the green color, and when you are adding the base, that become to the blue color. So this is the identification of secondary amines. What is that? Identification of secondary amines. Now this is a process is called the Lieberman's nitroso reaction. Lieberman's nitroso reaction. Lieberman nitroso reaction. This is identification of secondary amines. And next one, I go to the identification of tertiary amines. Tertiary amines. CH3, NCH3, CH3. When it is actually it is on that nitrogen, there is no available of replacement of hydrogens, but here is available of lone pair of electron, but actually it is not, no reaction. Why? Because of there is no available of replacement of hydrogen on the nitrogen. But when it is involvement of this lone pair of electron in the reaction, we get the salt we get. How we can get that compound? CH3NH, CH3 plus NO2. So this is the salt. So this is the identification of tertiary amine by the using of nitrous acid. So by the using of nitrous acid. Okay, clear? Right. So first of all, the alcohols obtained by when the primary amines react with the nitrous acid, their alcohol will be formation. except methylamine. The methylamine give the methyl nitrate or ether. A bit other than the alcohols, they give other than the amines, primary amines, they give the alcohols. Secondary amines give the nitrous compound. That nitrous compound is the yellow colored when you adding phenyl crystalline H2SO4, green color. After the adding a base, we get the blue color. So from that we can identify secondary amine. Tertiary amines, it's not reactive with the nitrous acid. If it is reactive with the nitrous acid, we get the salt. So this is the aliphatic amines, identification of primary and secondary amines. Now you write down aromatic. Aromatic amines. Okay, aromatic amines. So by the aromatic amines, here is also two types are there: primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amines. So first of all, I will take the aniline. Aniline is the primary amine. Is same when right. I'm here write that when it is take the NaCl plus NaNO2, NaNO2 plus HCl. From that we get the nitrous acid, right? When this in this condition of nitrous acid, now here we get the diazonium salt. Here we get diazonium chloride. That is the benzene diazonium chloride. What is that name? Benzene diazonium chloride. This is also salt. Benzene diazonium chloride is a salt. When the primary amine of aniline react with the nitrous acid, we get the benzene diazonium chloride. Diazonium chloride is forming. That is a salt. That name benzene diazonium chloride. Write down. Next, secondary amines. Look at here. N CH3. Here is a H. Right. When it is react with the nitrous acid, NaNO2 plus HCl, we get the nitrous acid. From that, we get the compound that here loss of water molecule. Look at here, I am write the nitrous acid like this. Remove of H2O. Now remain NO. This is the N-nitroso, N-nitroso, N-methyl, N-nitroso, N-methyl, aniline. N-methyl aniline. This is also same yellow colored oil type compound. So when you are adding that phenyl crystal plus drops of H2SO4, now it become to the green color. Green. Now when you are add base to form the blue color, right? So that is the secondary amine identification. Next, third one, I am take the third one. Here is the benzene NCH3 CH3. This is the tertiary amine. One phenyl group is there and two methyl groups are there. Tertiary amine like. This name is the N-N dimethyl aniline. N-N dimethyl aniline. So when this N-N dimethyl aniline react with the nitrous acid NaNO2 plus HCl, here is not available on the hydrogens on the nitrogen. Here is not there of any hydrogen on the nitrogen. But here in the benzene ring, at the position para position there is available of a nitrogen. Okay, CH3 Here from the hydrogen, now from the nitrous acid OH. From this one, when you are adding the NaNO2 and HCl, we get the nitrous acid. Here is the OH, here is the H minus water molecule eliminated, remain nitrous group substituted in the place of hydrogen and at the place of para position. So its name is the para nitroso N comma N dimethyl aniline. N comma N dimethyl aniline. So this is the identification of primary, secondary, tertiary amines of the aromatic. So when you're using the nitrous acid with the primary amine, for example, here is the aniline. Aniline is becomes to the benzene diazonium chloride, that is a salt. Now this one is given the blue color and this one is given the para nitroso. What is that? Para nitroso N comma N dimethyl aniline. So this is the identification of aromatic amines by the using of nitrous acid. Okay, right on.